Hello, this is A Robin's Nest by Terry. Getting back on track and getting fit for life. The host is Grace Life DIY, Creating with Chris, and Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Today, Chris is doing Total Body Fitness by Terry.
Hands are out. Bring them over your head and to your shoulders. From your shoulders to your thighs. All the way up. Back to a march. March it out wide. Bring it in and out. Okay, touch your shoulders and out. Keep your hands out. Twist them at the wrist. Plant your feet. Now you palm a basketball. And 8, just your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite hand. And 8, both hands again. And 8, bring those knees up high. Okay, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and hold. 1, 2, 3, and hold. 2, 3, and hold. There we go. Plant your feet, your hands are out in front of you. They're small circles. Take it back. Eight, one hand over your head. Keep that arm over your ear, bend all the way over and bring it up. Okay, you're going all the way over. Keep it here. Push down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Other side, take it all the way over. Keep that arm over your ear. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 8, keep it all the way over. Push down for 8. 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come up. Grab 2 light weights or 1 heavy weight. It's Thursday. All right. Starting at your thighs, pull that weight up to your chest and down. and 8. Keep it right here. Take it over your chest. Keep it up. You're dropping it behind your head, right to your shoulder blades, and pull it up for 8. And 1, and bring it down. Place the weight on your shoulder, your hand under your elbow, and kick it out for 8. And 8 to the other side. Seven and 8. Bring that arm down beside your thigh. Your other arm is up over your head. You're going to push that weight down to the ground for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and slowly come up. Take this weight, bring it to your opposite shoulder and down. And 8 to the other hand. And 8. Bring it down so it's in both hands. Take it back to a march. Take it out in front of you. Bring it into your chest. Elbows are bent. Take it out and bring it in for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep it here at your chest. You're taking it up.